or anyone rather would say कि यार चलो his thoughts and ideologies is pretty much which the government doesn't like. Makes sense, ठीक है, इनका होगा वहाँ पे कुछ कर रहे होगे, सारी governments करती है. But when it happened with Ranveer, who literally sponsored BJP, like literally that happened. Who was
कितने
the biggest
पॉडकास्ट किए
supporter
यार
of
इतने
them
बेचारे
when
ने,
कितने भाई सब लाइन से पॉडकास्ट
सब
कर दिए
मिनिस्टर
उसके,
को बुला बुला के
पूरी मिनिस्ट्री,
हद है।
सारी मिनिस्ट्री
Yeah,
लाई उसने फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर्स को बाहर
yeah,
निकाला कि वो वोट करे. लोगों को एक थॉट आया कि बीजेपी के नेता बहुत ज्यादा जेनजी ओरिएंटेड है, दैट गाय हैज अ क्रेजी
right.
फॉलोइंग, ही डिड दैट. उसके साथ ये हुआ. सो दैट इज द स्केरी पार्ट आई
Yeah, I
थिंक
mean,
यार. किसकी सगी है, स्टेट किसका
that's been the
सगा है.
scary part forever. I mean, it's not just
Yeah.
Ranveer is not the first person that this has happened to. This has happened to many people before. It's just not been covered as widely. It has happened in Assam. It has happened in
Yeah.
UP, Bihar, lots of places. This has happened. It's just Ranveer is a public figure, so it got covered more widely. And समय का भी देखो यार, a lot of these right wingers will say कि it's very important to win the culture war. It's very important to win the culture war. Political war तो जीतना ही है, लेकिन we have to win the culture war as well. Okay, even though you want to win the culture war, and then here you have a guy, Samay Raina, who has popularized chess in India. He's a funny guy. He's built something on his own. किसी से पैसे लेके नहीं बनाया है. अपनी मेहनत से he has developed this entire property जो India's got latent है. It's become extremely successful. On top of all that, this is a guy that जब Article 370 Kashmir Files movie release हुई थी, इसके सारे जितने भी कमेडियन दोस्त थे, जितने भी इसके कमेडियन दोस्त थे, they were all abusing this movie कि ये फेक है, प्रोपेगेंडा है, झूठी है. समय, despite being in that liberal comedian group, he stood up for this movie and he said कि साले बकवास मत करो, जाके मेरी फिल्म देखो, go read the history, see what happened to the Kashmiri Hindus, उसके बाद बकचोदी करो यहाँ पे आके. So
And it takes
it takes
courage.
courage, man. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
This guy went out on a limb and supported the movie. And this is how this is how you treat this guy. You take away his livelihood, you take away this wonderful thing that he has created, that so many people enjoy. अपनी मेहनत से create किया इस बंदे ने, जिसको आप छीन रहे हो. I think India and England don't share a lot of similarities, but one of the similarities that I feel like India and England have is that जब कोई बहुत succeed करने लगता है ना अपने बूते पे, तो people around them get very upset. कि इसकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई, ये अपने आप ऐसे ग्रो कर रहा है, इसकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई. He needs to be taken down a couple of pegs, and I feel like that's what they did with Samay, and it's really unfortunate. And I'm sure he's a funny guy, he's a talented guy, he's an entrepreneurial guy, and he'll be back on his feet, and he'll be more popular than ever because now he's been turned into a hero also a little bit.